Today, we're ranking the top 5 best spin mop in 2024. These mops are not just tools, but game changers that redefine the cleaning experience. We've meticulously tested and compared their features, durability, and efficiency. But that's not all. Stay tuned until the end as we reveal a mop that has an innovative feature never seen before in the industry. So if you're looking for the best spin mop to make your cleaning tasks a breeze, this video is a must-watch. Let's dive in. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Oshang Spin Mop and Bucket. Number 4. True and Tidy Spin Mop and Bucket System. Number 3. CycloMopper, Commercial Spinning Spin Mop. Number 2. SpinWave Cordless Hard Floor Spin Mop. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Microfiber Spin Mop.